Namaste. Yeah, this is Dr. Vijayalakshmi from Vijaya Dental and Implant Center. We have branches at Chikkarapalli and Kajagoda, and I am having this service since 22 years. We are at in Chikkarapalli. So today my topic is generally the most common questions I will be getting is how to fill the gap immediately, like instant gap. So generally I get many people, like from cine industry or the movie, the serial serial actors, or suppose if they are getting married or for the pre-wedding shoot or the events or functions and all. So they come and ask me, like they will be having the gap between the teeth. They want to go for the immediate treatment, like in 1 day or 2 day, like that. So generally as a dentist, whenever they come with the gaps, complaint of the gap in the teeth, so we suggest first option is to go for the braces. That's as every dentist will suggest that only. But when they don't have sufficient time, like generally the braces duration will be from 10 months to 12 months, 14 months, depending on the problem. But in particular cases, they don't have so much of time to spend actually to go for the treatment. So that case we go for this instant smile design. So why I am using this instant, generally the people will follow the normal terminology. So I will tell instant smile therapy or instant smile design or cosmetic therapy or cosmetic filling to fill these gaps. So why this is important? So whenever they smile, or nowadays since the selfie has been introduced, so everybody want to look more beautiful, the smile has to be better than the others. So they can make out their smile immediately, they don't even smile, open smile. So in that case they come to me, they said like, madam, we want the immediate closure. So this we use a technique called as Empress kit we use actually here. So this is we are using almost since 8 to 10 years. And this is not generally, again the next question is it permanent or temporary? See, nothing is permanent actually. Even this is done temporarily, like suppose if the one person is coming and they are going for the pre-wedding shoot or the marriage is there or the pelli choopulu. So whenever the bridegroom is coming to see the girl, so that time also they want to show their smile with a gap. So that case we use this Empress method to fill this gap between the teeth, which will take hardly about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So this is a simple procedure actually where there is no damage to the teeth, there is no grinding of the teeth, there is no side effect for this teeth also. So in this they can smile happily and with a confident smile in this 30 minutes to 45 minutes. This is the first method. Suppose if they have a sufficient time, enough time, then we advise to go for braces. In braces or clips we call it as, there are many types of available. The basic thing is the metal braces actually, then come the ceramic, or then come the lingual braces. Then nowadays even people are not ready to go for these braces also. They want to smile again beautifully without braces. So in that cases we go for something called as Invisalign or aligners we call it as. So Invisalign, as the name itself indicates, it's invisible, which cannot be seen like a braces, and people can smile, they can eat, they can go happily, and there no need to multiple visits. Multiple visits in the sense, when you go for braces, every month you have to come to a dentist actually for the wire adjustment. But in Invisalign there is no need to come for every month. So we will be giving the whole kit at a time. And in this Invisalign, generally first whenever a patient comes, we go for a 3D scan actually, so that after 14 months how it's going to be visible, like how it's going to look after 14 months. So we are going to give a post-operative treatment earlier. So if they are happy with that treatment plan, then we will go with this Invisalign method actually. This is one thing. So now I will just show you how it looks Invisalign. This is a kind of transparent trace which is not even seen actually whenever they are wearing it. So very easy to wear actually by a patient, and very easy to manage also. There won't be any ulceration, there won't be wire poking, they no need to avoid any food. So they can eat well, maintain well, happily they can smile well. So nowadays we are going with this Invisalign, which is the latest technology here. So like this, whenever the person or the patient come to us, we take a model and we'll take a photographs actually, pre-operative pictures will be taken, and we'll be getting this number of trays. Suppose these traits vary for patient to patient. The most common question what we see, this is the Invisalign basically. You can see how transparent it is. It's basically invisible. That's why it's called as Invisalign. You can see here. Nobody can make out the person is wearing a braces, but you can change your teeth position, or you can close your gaps and all with this actually. And it's not generally what I get the common question is does it same for everybody, the cost or the duration? No, it varies for every person actually. That means for few people we give 12 trays, for a few persons will give 14 trays, even for some people we gave around 20-25 trays also, depending on the problem. So when they're supposed to wear the change the trays. So generally we ask them to wear at least replace the tray like 1 week or 10 days depending on the problem. So suppose if the patient is abroad, or if the patient cannot come to our clinic or our branch, so what generally we do is, suppose number 5 tray is not suitable, then we'll tell like we can resend the 5 number tray to them. So that's convenient the Invisalign. So no need to visit again and again to a dentist. So during this pandemic, people want to stay at home. Yes, you can happily go with the Invisalign if you want to smile happily. And along with this, we do veneers, laminates also. Suppose if the people, like one person has got the fluorescent stains or the yellow color on the stains along with the gap, then we go for something called a laminates. So just like especially nowadays the girls are wearing commonly, they wear the artificial nails like this. They just like that, it's a cover actually. Or however you wear the contact lens, not like that. So just above this one layer we can place the veneers. It's a very you can beautify the smile with that. So these yellow stains will be gone and they can smile happily. This is regarding the gap or whatever the cosmetic thing I wanted to explain today. Thank you everyone for watching this.